Hello everyone. In the previous video I have shown how to download satellite image from SAS Planet. Now in this video I will show how we can prepare map from this satellite image in more organized way. For example, I have took municipality and how we can prepare map of all these wards, means local units. There are 14 local units at one time from this satellite image of municipality. I am going to show one example like this map. This is the map of ward separately, and I have prepared from that satellite image of municipality at one time. Okay, to start, what we have to do, go to the Arc GIS, add here the satellite image which we have downloaded. Okay, this was that. Okay, then we have to add save file of all ward. Okay, now what other layer you want to show in this map? For example, if you want to show road network, you can add here. Similarly, river network or satellite and settlement. Okay, after this go to layout view. Okay, now arrange this layer to appear with a good visibility, like I will take. Okay, then okay, after arranging this, if you want to change the layout, you can go here, file, page and print setup, and you can change portrait or landscape. I will keep portrait here now. Okay, after this again go to the file and open the page and print setup, then go to the data driven page, then enable. You want to prepare map of this sword, so take it. Then here go to the new word. Why this is the one attribute. Okay, I will show here so it will be more clear. Open. These are the word and this is the number of word, so we are selecting. Again go here, data driven page, enable, select new word, then page number, new word. Okay, after this right click, then go to properties, data frame, from clip to current data. Then after untick this. If we will not untick this, then the coordinate here will appear inside the map. Okay, after this again go to the property. You can add the grid here. Label only, not this, we don't require this. Finish. Go to property. Now we will give arrow which you want. You can keep inside or outside this frame. Okay, you can insert the scale bar. Now we will go with the dynamic text. Here we will not take the scale text because we need to provide the name and page number for the all word. So we are taking here dynamic text. Name. It is here. Keep it here. What is the name of municipality? Take here. Let's see 2. If not find, then again change. Okay. Again go to insert dynamic text. Name. It is here. Word number. Size position. Let's take 2. Apply. Okay. We need to decrease size. Let's take 1.8. Okay, then after go to dynamic text. Now number. This number represents the word number. How it came? In the previous step I have shown one option where we have selected the attribute of word. So it will automatically come here. We don't have to write anything here. Just change the size. Okay, this is fine. Now anything if you want to add, like legend. Okay, arrange here wherever you like. Okay, after this go to file, export map. Let's write new map PDF. Of what resolution you want. Okay, let's try with 500 now, or no, 900 now, or 700. Then go to page. You want all 14 pages. You want in single or in multiple. Select that. After all this, save. It will take some time. The sample I have shown, it will be like this. You can see from here. Um, I think I should now stop here. It will take time and I don't want to um, take more time in this thing. Okay, it is done now. Let's see. It is right. Okay, this is the final map. Similarly, you can prepare it simple. If you have any question, please write in comment box. Thank you so much.